Welcome my people to Pause with Jam. Today I will teach you my strategy where I don't use since day one. Strategy where they make me win every day, every time. Strategy where we say I dey use, it is very easy to understand. It is very easy to ride the wave in the market. The strategy, it is very easy to use and understand the direction of the market, and it's still very easy to use and understand price action. It's still very easy to use and understand when to enter market and when to come out from market. And so this strategy, now two different indicators now go set up on top of trading view for you, my Nigerian, my Ghanaians, and then my Africans or in the diaspora, we be say that they understand Pidgin, because this one a special pack that I get for una. I won't give una back to back strategies where you make una win. And as you can see, for my time on top of this trading view here, now Lagos UTC +1 time zone now they use. Same for the second chart. So now for this strategy now, you get how we set up the chart. So I will show you now how to set up the chart right from the start to the ending. So let's go right into chart setup. This strategy they work for 1 minute and they work for 5 minutes, and even on top of the bigger time frames. As far as say you follow which I will teach you. Now just common sense, not be trading, not be to clog the chart with big indicators and all of those kind of complicated stuff. Just very simple stuff. May I be more of strategy trader. So now for the chart now, the first one we'll go set up our direction of the market. That is, we could try get indicator where we say it will show us the direction where the market go on the long term and on the short term. You understand? People where they use short time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes take trade. Them now the short term traders. The ones where they use the higher time, they are the long term traders. So you need to know the general direction, whether in the short term, whether the thing they go bearish or they go bullish, or whether in the long term, whether the markets they go bearish or they go bullish. So let's go into the setup. This one now, the first indicator where I go put for here, now this smooth moving average. This one with it here, I go click on, in don't enter. So I go put another indicator now, which is this one, this RSI trends by ZZZ crypto 123. I go click on as well. Then I go close. You go see the indicators don't be on top of the trading view. So now we go set a move. I go click settings for the SMA. This SMA line, I want to make it be yellow. I won't make it deep bold. Then I go for input. I go change this 7 to 200. I'll click OK like this. Then for this indicator where they here, this one, this RSI trend, this one I no go do any setting. Now as I take bring them, that's why I go leave them. So I'll go up here. I go open the screen like this. I'll go to the second indicator. This one now I go need to use them know when to enter market and when to come out from market. And people where we say they understand price action, they go really find this indicator very amusing and very profitable for their trades. I'll click here. I will find the indicator which they call trend line with break by Los Algo. This one, I'll click on now. Then the second indicator where I go find now still this the same RSI trend, because I go want to see the direction of the market they correlate. English no be small thing. The direction of the market they go in line with the volume. So you understand. So I'll put RSI trends. I'll cancel this. So now I'll have to also set this indicator, make it fit how I want them. If you still leave them like this, but if you don't want to leave them like this and you want to do small modification, see what me I recommend. I go enter style. I'll click this one. I go make a real green. Then I go bold the line. I'll go to the red one. I go just bold the line. Then I go back to input. Make sure see swing detection look back na 14, slope na 1, slope calculation method na ATR, then back paint you must mark am, make it dey marked like this. Then I go come, I will click OK. Now the setup don dey complete. Now see the strategy now. How we dey take use am be say, when price dey trade below this 200 MA, you understand, this 200 SMA, that simply means we don't understand the direction of the market, say we dey for bearish market. Do you understand? As we don't see say we dey for bearish market, so simply means say we go only dey look for selling trades. Now how we go take find selling trades? We go come to the right side of the chart. We go look for when price go break through this support. You get? We go find when price go break am, and as he break am here, he indicates with B, and as he indicates with B, it simply means say selling pressure could the thing he match with the RSI red way dey here. As he match like this, it means say pressure dey market, volume dey market. The very next candle will open, I go open my sell trade. Then I go do 2:1 loss to win ratio. Do you understand? Or I will do 1:1 if I want to be very, very tight in my scalping. You understand? I say I want really just enter very sharp, make sure say my trade will do almost 100% win. So now with this one now, make I still go on this left chart, make you see more examples of wetin I mean. Like this in this situation where we occur here, make I take this one back. Let me make I look for where it is. You know, easy to see him. So to make example more easier for you guys, I don't do small modification for this right chart. I remove this RSI trends with the here. I can't replace them with this 200 SMA, so that when I go to see the direction, and then I go to see the buying opportunities either to the bullish or to the bearish side. So now I'll be scrolling, so that then I'll be explaining how this indicator works. So you go see here now, this candle don't break through this resistance trend line for here. So immediately as it break, it indicates, and then the price they trade above this 200 SMA. So immediately the open of this candle, for me as an aggressive guy, I go open my trade for here. But some people, they go wait for retracements, like all of this consolidation will take place here, then before they go open their trade along this side. Now, but for me, I don't try this indicator a lot of time, so I understand how the indicator they work. It always stay very, very high accurate. So this one, the same thing here. As it break this resistance trend line here, immediately this candle they start to form. I go open my buy trade. I go scalp the market down to the top. The moment I see this overbought candle here, immediately I go short out from the market. I go not see the buyers, they don't tire. So more examples. Look at this one now. You see, say price trade above the 200 SMA, and then it break this, indicating a buy. So immediately as the second candle they open, you go place your order, and then that is it. All this sell where they when price they above, you know, go take them, because the strategy they work like that. Understand? Only experienced traders will use this strategy, in the sense of, say, if this candle break close to the 200 SMA and it break through, close the candle at the ending, if you wait for a rebound, if you place a sell order. But not only experienced traders na sabi do that. So as you never be experienced trader, just use this simple strategy what they use now, so that you will safely build your small funds. The same thing come here. Now buy also indicating a breakthrough to the resistance. So immediately this candle they open, you go place your buy order, you go scalp the market to the top. Same thing goes here. Now don't forget momentum, or where this buy they always they show up. When you correlate them with this RSI on top of the left side, you must always make sure, say, this green day, when you correlate your this your cross like this on top of on top of where this buy dey show, simply because say momentum and volume e dey very necessary for trading, because na momentum and volume na go tell you whether a continuation of a rally go take place or if e no go fit take place. So that one too dey very important. Make una dey watch am out when una dey trade this strategy. So you see, so as this one break through wey B show now, if na the RSI dey here now, una go see am like that. At the end of the video, I go still show una example. So you see this one to the downside, because it closed down and then it come down here, close here, understand, below it. So it simply means say sellers don't break this 200 SMA, so they must retest them. After the buyers they go fight their own fight, come like this, sellers will bring them down. So that is how to trade by experienced trader. But as you don't be experienced trader yet and you try to grow your money, so just make use of these types. Now price dey below the 200 SMA, you break through the resistance line, and so immediately at the open of the second candle you go place your sell, then you go watch your money grow just like that. Now you go see buying trade dey here. This buying trade you go ignore am, because price dey below 200 SMA. Now only selling trades now you go dey look for. Now only when this price dey trade above 200 SMA and then the slope is going this way, like it's going up, that is when you only look for buying opportunities. So that is just the simple way of using this strategy. You can see that this strategy worked almost all of the time. You see, almost all of the time. This is another opportunity. You see them almost all of the time. So win this market, and like, subscribe if you're getting the value for this video, and so let's grow together. Thank you.